us see, this is the IIT advanced question. Integration 0 to 1 tan inverse 1 upon 1 minus x plus x square dx. So this question is asked in advance here. Let us look at here and solve. And based on this same thing asked in JEE Mains 2019. So if you solve this one, then you get 2019 question. Okay. Let's see here what I am going to do. So a few more questions I will end up this King's rule. Let us start the King rule. And after that, completing all properties, again based on all properties, many questions I will solve. So I am going to make many questions on this definite integration. Definitely we will be finishing this chapter in 10 days. Okay, then we will start vectors. Let us see here, evaluate integration 0 to 1 tan inverse 1 upon 1 minus x plus x square dx. So what we do here, integration 0 to 1 tan inverse, I can write this one as 1 upon, I am making this one list here, 1 minus, I am writing here x I am taking common. If I take x common, what I get here, x minus 1, okay, yeah, can I write like this? If I take minus common, here I have x common out. So x into x square, I got negative right here. So what I get here, 1 minus x. I write 1 minus x. This is correct. 1 minus x. Why it is correct? See that minus into x, minus into minus, plus x into x square. So I can write this one as 1 minus x into 1 minus x. This way we have to write into dx. Now I can apply the King rule. See here 1 upon 1 minus x into function. So you can use the King rule. See here this question, I just want to tell you this. Yesterday I explained you this question, but interval is different. Yesterday the interval is not same. So yesterday that is a JEE question, this is also JEE question, but interval change, you can do this one homework. Yesterday I explained this whole question, you can see, but only interval change. So just in last you change the interval and find the solution. If I change the interval, it doesn't going to change any steps. Steps are same, steps are similar. Only the thing is answer will be changed. So this is homework to you. Again this is a JEE question. So do homework. And this one, let us come to here this one. Why I was saying here x into, see this x into function upon 1 plus function square. See here is x into function you got. So I told you the rules, x into function, all this, if you have, you can use the King's rule. So now here also you can apply the King rule now. I consider this is equation number 1, I is equal to, this is equation number 1. I'll apply the King's rule, what I am going to get, integration 0 to 1. What is the King rule will be applied here? Integration 0 to f of fx dx can be written as integration 0 to a f of a minus x dx. According to here, what I get here, 0, 1 means 1. 1 minus x I have to substitute. Wherever x is there, I have to substitute 1 minus x. So tan inverse 1 upon 1 minus, in the place of x I can write as 1 minus x. And here in the place of x, what I write here, 1 minus of 1 minus x. Okay, dx. Let us simplify this one. See what I get here, 1 minus 1 cancel, minus into minus plus x. So finally this I am going to get is I is equal to integration 0 to 1 tan inverse 1 upon what I am getting here after simplification 1 minus, this is 1 minus x, correct? This is 1 minus x. And look at here, 1 minus 1 which stands for minus into minus plus. So I get x, and this is the dx. So let us take this is the equation number 2 and this is the equation number 1. According to the King's rule, what I have to do, I need to add both the equation. But if I add, what is going to happen? Let me know. This function and this function, no change in this. Look at that. There is no change here. 1 minus x into 1 minus x. 1 minus x into 1 minus x. After applying King rule, no change in the question. So don't do addition. If I do addition, integration 2i is equal to 0 to 1 tan inverse. If I do addition, what I'll get? I'll get 1 plus 1. Same, there is no use if I do addition. This one and that one, if I do addition, that is no use. So what I do here, some trick I used to apply here. Look at here, what the trick I am going to use. Integration 0 to 1 tan inverse. So no use here. I applied the King's rule, but it is not useful here. So what I am doing here, integration. This is an advanced question. Okay, hope you understand. On the top, on 1, how to express 1? That is what I am going to think. How to express 1? Can I express that is x plus 1 minus x? X plus 1 minus x. Look at that. If I express this one as x plus 1 minus x, it means this x is cancelled, I get a 1 again. So I am writing this is x plus 1 minus x divided by 1 minus x into x. This type of manipulation we have done many times in solving the different derivative chapters. We have done this one. In inverse trigonometry also we have done these problems. We have done inverse trigonometry many problems in your notes. So we have to do this manipulation that numerator can be changed as x plus 1 minus x dx. Now this question how it is going to change is integration I is equal to 0 to 1 tan inverse. Now look at that. A, suppose tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. What is the form? Like that if I apply tan inverse x plus 1 minus x upon 1 minus x into x, that is I have to find, right? See, look at here, tan inverse you got x plus 1 minus x upon. So what is the formula for this one? Tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. You have inverse trigonometry, right? In that what we can write as tan inverse, what I write here, tan inverse x plus integration 0 to 1 tan inverse 1 minus x. Do you remember this formula? In inverse trigonometry? Tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy is equal to tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So here I applied the same property. Integration 0 to 1 tan inverse x plus integration 0 to 1 tan inverse 1 minus x. Now you can apply. See there, King's rule now applied. King's rule. According to King's rule, 0 to 1 tan inverse x dx plus 0 to 1 tan inverse 1 minus x dx. This value and this value same according to the King's rule. What is the King's rule says? Integration 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integration 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So 0 into 1 you have tan inverse x, then 0 to 1 tan inverse a minus x, that is 1 minus x, means these both are same. Means this I can write that. So this I can change. So what I can write as this, I can write as integration 0 to 1 tan inverse x dx plus I can write this one as 0 to 1 tan inverse x dx. This is the beauty of mathematics. So here integration 0 to 1 tan inverse x dx plus integration 0 to 1 tan inverse x dx. This is going to change. How it is going to change? I'll write here. Do the screenshot of this page. I am going to explain here. Okay. Let's see how to solve this problem. So fatapat, I'll do very quick this problem. So what I get here, integration I is equal to, I'll get as integration 0 to 1 2 times. I'll get 2 times tan inverse x dx. I'm getting this one. So now what I do here, I do bypass. This question can be solved by how? Bypass. Right? Integration I is equal to 2 into integration 0 to 1 tan inverse x dx. This is an advanced question. Okay, this is an advanced question. So I get as I is equal to 2 into, now integration 0 to 1. So I will not write integration. Now you know already. First function into tan inverse x. Okay. So what I write here, tan inverse x I will keep out. And integration of 1 I will write integration of 1 dx minus, okay, and I just substitute. This value we have to substitute. Okay, we have to substitute the limits for this. Okay, so what I write here, tan differentiation is tan inverse. Bypass I am using. Okay, bypass tan inverse x I am keeping out. Integration 1 dx, which is easy to do integration, that you have to keep the second function. So integration 1 dx minus of integration of d by dx of tan inverse x integration of 1 dx and total integration dx. This is already. I have explained in the previous lectures what is a by parts. You can see in my playlist there are by parts problems are there. Many problems I explained. Look at there and learn more. I is equal to 2 into integration of tan inverse x, and this is I get integration of 1 is x. Okay, integration of x, 1 is x. So I use here integration. No, this is a bracket, 2 bracket tan inverse. This is x, and this value. Now I have to substitute. Now this is from 1 to 0. Okay, I have to apply the interval 1 to 0. Right? I have to apply for whole interval, not for only this term. So minus d by dx of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1. So 1 upon 1 plus x square. And integration of 1 is x and dx. Now you have to integrate this one. Hope you understand till this time. Okay, let us solve the next question. Next steps. Next we can simplify more further. Look at that. So I is equal to what I am going to get here. I is equal to 2 into. I'll apply 1 here. Tan inverse x into tan inverse x. That is x means 1 into tan. I am sending x this side because you never keep x this side, it will confuse. Tan inverse x into x you feel. But actually x into tan inverse x. So when I keep 1 into tan inverse 1, if I keep 0 into tan inverse 0, that is 0, leave it about 0. Okay, minus integration of here x upon 1 plus x square is there. To deal with this, what to do here? Multiply by 2 and divide by 2. Multiply by 2, divide by 2, 1 plus x square dx. Why I did this? Easily. Okay, tan I is equal to 2 into tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. Minus why I have done this one? The differentiation of this one is on the top. Means if I take 1 plus x square is equal to u, and that is 2x dx is equal to du. Means this is going to change. Okay, and the interval is here. Don't forget to keep the interval 0 to 1. Okay, so I get here 0 to 1. Okay, 0 to 1. So when I have 0 to 1, you know that, see here, if I keep 0 in this, I get u1. Okay, if I keep 1 in this, then I get u2. I have to change here because 1 plus x square I am assuming u. That is 2x dx is equal to du. That means I got as what here? This whole thing is changed now. 1 by 2 integration 2x dx is become as a du upon this is u. I got u. But here I have to change the limits also. If I substitute x is equal to 0, u value 1. If I substitute x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1. If x is equal to 0, I got u1. If x is equal to 1, I got u2. So this interval is changed 1 to 2. So what I am getting here, I is equal to, this is I can cancel pi by 2 minus, I can write 1 by 2 ln u, and you get as 2 1. Substitute 2 there, I is equal to pi by 2 minus 1 by 2 ln 2 minus ln 1. So they have to substitute these limits. So ln 2 minus ln 1 is 0. So remove ln 1. ln 1 is 0. So what is I am getting finally? I is equal to pi by 2. Pi by 2 minus 1 by this is ln 2 by 2. ln 2 upon 2. So what I got final answer is 1 by 2. I got ln u. This is ln u, and I substituted 0 for that you got 1, 1 for that you got 2, ln 1 is 0, so 1 by 2 ln 2. So this is your answer, this is your final answer. So this is the answer for this advanced question. Hope you understand. Next question I will solve. JEE 2019. Let us see here, this is the question asked in JEE 2019 recent question. Of integration 0 to 1 x cot inverse 1 minus x square plus x power 4 dx. So this is a recent question, and how to deal this question is look at here. So this is very easy question, integration 0 to 1 That is the reason I tell this JEE question, previous year questions if you solve, you can do in JEE. Okay. Why? Because this question is related to the previous question that is asked in advance. Okay, x into cot inverse. So what I do here, x into, you have this one. I just do one thing to make it simple. Squares you have, so I take here x square is equal to t. Okay, I take x square equal to t. If I take x square equal to t, that is I get 2x dx is equal to dt. Means this is x you have. Okay, x you have, x dx, x and dx, this is become dt by 2. So integration 0 to 1, I is equal to integration 0 to 1. I am getting here dt. Okay, cot inverse, I am getting here 1 minus, this is t plus t square, okay, t square dt by 2. So 1 by 2 take out common. So I is equal to 1 by 2 comes out 0 to 1. Cot inverse x we can write as 1 by tan inverse, 1 minus t plus t square dt. Okay, I can write as 1 by according to the rules I have told you already in inverse trigonometry. Tan inverse x is 1 by tan inverse x is equal to 1 upon tan inverse. Okay, that I explained you already. So according to that here, okay, we can write as tan inverse 1 upon. We can write this one as tan inverse cot inverse x is equal to, we can write as tan inverse 1 by x. Okay, 1 minus t plus t square dt. This is becomes like this. So what is you have formula? Cot inverse x is equal to tan inverse 1 by x. This is you have in inverse trigonometry. So I can write as like this. So you can see this question. If you relate it to the previous question, what was the question here? Integration 0 to 1. I had here tan inverse 1 upon 1 minus x plus x square dx. This was the previous question, JEE advanced, and this one is same. So the answer will get same. In x terms and t terms, the answer will be same. So I is equal to 1 by 2. The previous answer you got. What you got the previous answer? I did not remember. What is you got the previous answer? I don't know. Just substitute the previous answer. Previous answer, what you got? Previous answer, what you got? You substitute and multiply with 2. That is your answer. This is the end of 2019. This is the simplest way we have solved. What I want to say here, hope you understand. The previous question just before I explained, that answer you substitute here. I think you got pi by 2 minus 1 by 2 ln 2. Pi by 2 minus 1 by 2 ln 2. I remember this one. Maybe I may be wrong, but you just substitute that. So if you multiply, what we get here? Pi by 4 minus 1 by 4 ln 2 is your answer. This is the answer of 2019. Hope you understand. Let us go for the next question.